Hey, Dr. Shirley here with Level Up. I'm at Trisa's house. We are trying different recipes from different books, and today we are using the Medical Medium. It's one of our favorite recipe books. The recipes are simple and they taste delicious. They are so good for your health. So today we decided to make potato cake pizzas. Here we go. But Trisa decided that since she doesn't like tomato paste, we are replacing that with pesto sauce from another Medical Media book. This one. And we chose a cilantro pesto recipe. Now cilantro is amazing because it is great for detox. Specifically, it detoxes heavy metals. It's really good at detoxing mercury. So mercury collects in our bodies from the fillings in our teeth and also from fish that we eat. So if you are a sushi eater, you probably are higher in mercury than you may want to be. So let's go talk to Trisa. Trisa!
Hello.
Yay!
I'm about to put these in the oven. We chopped them with mushrooms, red bell pepper, and yellow squash.